Social media is where everyone goes now to voice their opinion, and why not? The audience is there. A few weeks ago, the Prime Minister spoke about the music and how it has changed. Artist and producer Mr. G shared his sentiments on IG, and Sanjay asked him about it.
And just like that, the man that has so much longevity in what we call this dancehall genre, Mr. J.
What up?
First of all, Mr. J, you're very disgruntled in your Instagram post about, the state of dancehall music and what the younger youths and the new artists and the younger generation is how they're kind of handling it and treating it.
Not only Jamaica, but in the US, to be specific, yeah, that
whole heap of rappers,
you see a whole heap of rappers are passed away. Some rappers with some big potential. You have XX, Tentacion, Pop Smoke. You have King Van.
Oh yeah.
You know me I say you have a next youth who rise from Philly the other day, one stout youth. You know me I say it's like too much of the youth them a drop out. Now, the good thing about our dancehall industry, we don't hear no artists dying from gunshot, but what is happening is too much of them are get incarcerated for gun.
So it's like you see a trend in the music.
Exactly. And music and badness don't agree. You get what me I say? So, me no like where I go on. And as an artist, you don't want to live out of poverty. Go make a food, and then you have to spend back the whole of year one in a liar fee, the millions with the liars them. How that help your family? How that help your youth them? How it help your virgin them around you? To spend back your money all the time. Now check the levels. You have to be able to differentiate and know, say, listen, if you're singing about gun songs, I'm going to take for example, a man like Bounty Killer will sing a whole heap of gangster anthems.
Yeah.
How much time have you ever heard Bounty Killer going to jail because he's being held with gun? You're not hearing it. Bounty differentiate
True.
Rodney Price from Bounty Killer,
Yeah.
and make sure say, listen to me, Miss Ivy now go here say me a lock up in a jail or me a go to prison because I gun.
True.
So hear this. If you're so inspired by Bounty Killer, and as me say, freedom of speech, freedom of expression, look how Killer live him life. Killer nearly 50 now. You don't see Killer, I get old for no gun. You don't see Killer in and out and no jail. You know what me I say?
So I don't need to draw a line between them.
You have to be able to differentiate, madam. You have to be able to differentiate. Now, make a look at movies. Have you ever heard a man like Denzel Washington, Wesley Snipes, Lawrence Fishburne, and them man the Sylvester Stallone, Arnold Schwarzenegger, we coming at the baddest movie them. You ever hear one of them man they go to prison or go to jail because them a pick up gun in a real life? Listen, me not tell a man say don't sing gangster song, because variety is a spice of life.
And it's art.
And it's art. Separate them. Sing your gangster song them if you have to. Sing for the girl them if you have to. But do not pick up no gun because it is not going to end up well.
All right, lastly now, Mr. G, tell me some of your productions we can look forward to.
Well, I have a song now, One Fake Friend, with me and Youth and Green. This song is being played everywhere. I mean, every day I get calls, people from downtown to Crossroad. People say the song, I mad them everywhere. Them I go. So I know that I swell up like a nice pot of rice. Man, a whole heap of work, Sanjay. Say anytime we're in a studio, a mad people thing, is it?
That I go. Lastly now, Mr. G, tell me what most makes Mr. G intense.
My drive. You know what I say? Stay driven, stay focused. You know what I say? That's what makes me intense.
If we get back
no
to that
pretense.
Song,
is it?
Yo, them man talking our heart and the cleanest. We root bread, but them man the meanest.
Check it out on YouTube, man.
Mr. G held nothing back.